Okay guys, welcome back. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we are going to do another part of our project on creating a space 3D trust in SAP 2000. Okay, we want to define a material. We go to define and materials. We add new materials and then we choose our standard region, material type, standard. We use ASTM A53 and grade. Okay. Now we create our material A53 group. Now we are going to define our frame section. We add new property, we use pipe, and the calling of the section is really important. We call it SHS, circle hollow section, and 100 x4. That means 100 here outside diameter and a 4 here. And then we click on OK. And you can see our material created. Now, the important thing is how we assign the material to the truss. We can select all of the members in lots of ways. One way is to select them by mouse. Another way is to use Control A. Another use is using this all here. Okay, after that we go to assign frame section and give us the frame section that we choose. Now, as you can see, they have their section names near them. Okay, let's go and see if we can extrude the model. We go here and say extrude. Let me just... Now you can see the model that extruded and have a good point of view what we are doing. You can see that here. Okay. And you can also do something beautiful, more beautiful on it by going to general option and change the color if you want. I don't really use them, but you can use them. White background, black object. This is so beautiful. I like this kind of thing. Okay, we choose the material and give them. For now, let's make it to a standard and end this lesson here. Don't forget to like and subscribe.